What if one phone call could change everything? What if one simple question from a friend could take you thousands of miles away to the most romantic city in the world? This is the story of Ryan and Emma. Two friends, one dream, and a journey to Paris that will teach you real English along the way. Stay with us. Ryan and Emma are two close friends who love adventures. One quiet Sunday afternoon, Emma calls Ryan with an exciting idea that is about to change their entire summer.
Ryan, are you busy right now?
Not really. I'm just sitting at home drinking coffee. What's up, Emma?
Okay, so I have something to tell you and I need you to stay calm.
Emma, you're scaring me. What is it?
I think we should go to Paris this summer.
Paris? As in Paris, France?
Yes, Paris, France, the Eiffel Tower, the cafes, the Seine River, all of it, Ryan.
Emma, that sounds amazing, but isn't that a little crazy? We've never traveled internationally together before.
That's exactly why we should do it. Come on, Ryan, when was the last time you did something truly exciting?
Okay, tell me more. I'm listening.
And just like that, the adventure begins. Ryan and Emma spend the rest of the afternoon making plans, dreaming out loud, and imagining everything that Paris could be.
So I was thinking we go in July. The weather in Paris in July is warm and beautiful. Not too hot, perfect for walking around the city.
July sounds good. How long are we thinking? A week?
I was thinking 10 days, actually. 7 days feels too short for Paris. There is so much to see and experience there.
10 days? Okay. That gives us enough time to really explore the city without rushing.
Exactly. I don't want one of those trips where you're running from one tourist spot to another. I want us to really feel Paris, you know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean. I want to sit in a little French cafe, drink a coffee, and just watch the world go by.
Yes, that's exactly the feeling I want. Slow mornings, long walks, good food.
Okay, Emma, I'm in. Let's go to Paris.
Really? Oh, Ryan, I'm so happy. This is going to be the best trip of our lives.
With excitement in their hearts, Ryan and Emma move on to the practical side of the trip. Because dreaming is wonderful, but planning is where the real journey starts.
Okay, so where do we even start? We need to think about flights, hotels, what to pack?
Let's start with packing because that's always the hardest part for me. I always pack too much.
Me too, honestly. Last time I traveled, I packed 3 pairs of shoes and wore only one the whole trip.
See? That's the problem. So this time, let's be smart about it. Paris in July means warm weather, so light clothes, t shirts, light pants, comfortable walking shoes.
Comfortable shoes are so important. We're going to be walking everywhere.
Absolutely, and maybe one nice outfit each for a fancy dinner or a visit to a special place.
Good idea. What about a jacket? July in Paris can have some cool evenings, right?
Yes, definitely. A light jacket or a cardigan is always a good idea. You know what they say, always be prepared.
Always be prepared. Okay, what else? Documents?
Right, passport, travel insurance, some euros for cash, and our phones, of course.
Travel insurance is so important. You never know what can happen when you're far from home.
Exactly. It gives you peace of mind, knowing that if something goes wrong, you're protected.
You know, Emma, just talking about this is making me so excited. I can already imagine us walking along the Seine River in the evening.
Me too, Ryan. Me too. I've dreamed about going to Paris since I was a little girl.
Really? Tell me about that.
When I was young, my mom had this big, beautiful book about Paris on our bookshelf. I used to look at the pictures for hours. The Eiffel Tower at night all lit up, the little streets with flower shops, people sitting outside at cafes laughing and talking.
That's a beautiful memory, Emma.
It really is. And now we're actually going to do it. It feels surreal.
Well, this summer, we're going to make that dream real together.
I couldn't think of a better person to share this with, Ryan. Thank you for saying yes.
Are you kidding me? Thank you for the idea. This is going to be unforgettable.
What a beautiful moment between two friends. Before we move on, let's take a look at some of the important English words and phrases that Ryan and Emma used in today's story. Listen carefully and try to remember them. The first word is internationally. When you travel internationally, it means you are traveling to another country outside of your own. Ryan and Emma have never traveled internationally together before, until now. The second word is to explore. To explore means to visit and discover new places with curiosity and excitement. Emma doesn't want to rush. She wants to truly explore Paris. The third word is tourist spot. A tourist spot is a famous place that many visitors go to see, like the Eiffel Tower or the Louvre Museum in Paris. The fourth word is travel insurance. Travel insurance is a type of protection you buy before a trip in case something goes wrong. Ryan says it gives you peace of mind. And that brings us to our fifth word, peace of mind. Peace of mind means feeling calm and safe, knowing that everything is going to be okay. And finally, surreal. When something feels surreal, it means it feels so wonderful or unbelievable that it doesn't feel completely real. Emma says going to Paris feels surreal, like a dream coming true. 6 beautiful words. Try to use them in your English conversations this week. And that is the end of episode 1. Ryan and Emma are going to Paris, and their adventure is just beginning. In our next episode, they head to the airport, and things don't go exactly as planned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what happens next. Keep practicing your English every single day. You are doing amazing. See you in episode 2. Goodbye, everyone.